Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw Ethereum from Bitmart to Kraken in 2025. If you're looking to move your crypto assets between exchanges for better opportunities or security, this step-by-step tutorial is perfect for you. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitmart and Kraken, and that you have some Ethereum in your Bitmart wallet. Also, double-check that you've enabled two-factor authentication on both platforms for added security. It's 2025, after all, and safety comes first. Step 1. Log into your Bitmart account. Head over to the Wallets or Funds section, where you'll find your Ethereum balance. Click on Withdraw next to Ethereum to begin the process. Step 2. You'll need to enter the withdrawal details. This includes the amount of Ethereum you want to withdraw. Be mindful of any minimum limits and network fees. Now, the key part. Paste in your Kraken Ethereum wallet address. You can find this by logging into Kraken, going to your wallet, and copying the deposit address for Ethereum. Double-check this address to avoid any costly mistakes. Step 3. Review the withdrawal summary. This will show you the estimated fees, which might include network costs for the Ethereum blockchain, and the final amount you'll receive. Once you're happy, confirm the transaction. Bitmart will send a confirmation email or notification, so keep an eye on that. After initiation, the Ethereum will be sent to the blockchain. This could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Once it's confirmed, log back into Kraken and check your wallet. Your Ethereum should appear shortly. A quick tip. Always withdraw to a test amount first if you're unsure, and keep an eye on gas fees, as they can fluctuate. That's it for this guide. Withdrawing crypto might seem intimidating, but following these steps keeps it simple and secure. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.